Rajenjani tutorial, start. Share your opinion on the advantages and disadvantages of technology.
Technology is a blessing and a curse, depending on how we use it. On one hand, it has made life infinitely more convenient. Communication is instant, knowledge is readily available, and automation has removed much of the drudgery from daily tasks. Medical advancements, for example, have saved countless lives. On the flip side, our dependency on technology is growing at an alarming rate, and with it come concerns about privacy, cybercrime, and social isolation. People are glued to their screens, sometimes forgetting the value of face-to-face interactions. There is also the issue of sustainability. Electronic waste is piling up faster than we can manage it. Still, I believe technology is a tool, and like any tool, it depends on how we wield it. If we use it wisely, it can open doors to new possibilities without shutting out the real world.
Rajenjani tutorial, end.
Expand your vocabulary. All the words used in this English-speaking practice tutorial are listed as parts of speech like nouns, verbs, etc. This entire vocabulary list can be freely downloaded from the download link given in the description box of this video. Download this list now and learn the words and idioms to use with this topic. For more such English-speaking practice videos, don't forget to subscribe and like. Do also give your comment. Thank you.
Credits. Tutorial, Rajenjani. Text, Microsoft Copilot. Images, Copilot Image Creator. Audio, Google Cloud Text-to-Speech. Parts of speech, Google Cloud Natural Language API Python Code, Google Gemini AI, Video Editor, Kdenlive.